Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Bybit giveaway passcodes. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. Once you have logged into your Bybit account, then you need to tap on more button at the middle of the screen. Now you need to scroll down to the events section, and from here you need to select this giveaway button, and after that you need to tap on this join button. Now you need to enter a giveaway passcode. So I have find some giveaway passcodes, so simply I will try to paste it out, and from here I will copy the first passcode and simply paste it here, and after pasting you need to click on this confirm button. And here you can see I have received my baby Doge coin from giveaway gift, and this is the first giveaway passcode I have entered. Now I will try to enter the second one. So back from here you need to copy the second one. Simply copy this second passcode and paste it here. After pasting you need to click on confirm again, and here you can see I have successfully claimed my second giveaway passcode. Now I will try to enter the third one, copy these codes and paste it in this passcode and click on confirm. You can get all these giveaway gifts from these passcodes. In order to do that, you have to find some channels where you can get these passcodes. So I will recommend you to visit this channel. The channel name is Airdrop Finder. You can get this Bybit giveaway passcode videos on daily basis. And that's it. Now you know how to get giveaway passcodes on Bybit. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.